Hi, my name is Li Yunhe, and this is the second homework of ELGY 6303. Question 1. The customer flow can be viewed as a Poisson process, and the probability that in 2 minutes at least one customer arrives equals to 0.3, which means the probability that no customer arrives in 2 minutes equals to 0.7. According to the formula of Poisson process, minus 2 lambda power to e equals to 0.7, so that lambda equals to 0.178. The second question is to find the probability that in 10 minutes at least 2 customer arrives, which equals to 1 minus the probability of in 10 minutes no customer arrives, and minus the probability of in 10 minutes that only one customer arrives, which means the probability of the probability equals to 0.53. The second question is to find the probability that in 1 minute exactly one customer will arrive, and it equals to 0.149. And the fourth question is to find the probability that in 3 minutes no customer arrives, and according to the formula it equals to 0.586. Question 2. To let the fx to be a valid density, the integral of fx from minus infinity to infinity shall be equal to 1. And from the derived equation, we can see that a shall equals to 1, so that a is 1. The second question is to sketch fx. When x equals to 0, the fx equals to minus 2 power 2e. And when x is greater than 0 and less than 1, the slope of the fx is keep growing, because the first derivative of fx is non-negative from 1 to 0. And the third question is to find to write fx in one line by using step functions. The first derivative of step function is impulse function, and in fact from ux minus 1 equals to 1 when x is greater than 0 and less than 1. The fourth question is to find the fx in analytical form, which equals to the integral of ft to dt from minus infinity to x. When x equals to 0, fx equals to minus 2 power to e multiply ux. When x is greater than 0 and less than 1, fx equals to x power to e minus x power to e and multiplied minus 1 power to e. And otherwise, fx equals to 0. The fifth question is to scratch fx, and it's just the same with the question 2. So this is the video required homework. Thanks.